Chapter 2 Introduction to MS Access. Computer is an electronic device that processes data to give information. Data simply refers to raw facts and figures. This may be in the form of numbers, alphabets, images, sound, or a combination of these. Data needs to be processed to make it more meaningful and useful. When data is processed for the meaning, it becomes information. Database. A collection of related table with data is called a database. The data remains in unorganized order in a database. A simple example of database is the attendance register of your class maintained by your class teacher. It contains the name of each student of your class with their roll numbers. Personal telephone directory is also an example of a simple database. Advantages of database are as follows. Easy retrieval of data. Reduction in data inconsistency. Easy manipulation of data. Reduction in data redundancy. Easy sharing of data. High data security. You can perform various kinds of operations on a database like creation, deletion, modification, and updation. Relational Database Management System RDBMS. Relational Database Management System is a type of database software which stores data in form of related tables. In related tables, one or more fields in one table are linked to fields in another table. This link ensures that you can enter only those values that have corresponding entries in another table. The concept of relational database was given by E.F. Codd at IBM in 1970. Relational database can have multiple tables that contain data about various entities such as customers, order, products, etc. A relationship is a connection between two or more tables based on common fields. Today, there are many companies which have created and marketed their database software in the market. Some of the popular relational database management systems include Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle. Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a database management system that allows the user to create a relational database and then access, retrieve, and use the data in it. Access facilitates creation of database in several ways. Manage database structures. Import and export databases from or to various data sources and file formats. Backup, restore and perform other operations in easy-to-use graphical user interface. One can store all kinds of information in an Access database, use queries to analyze the data and create professional reports. The database will have an extension .accdb in MS Access 2007. Starting MS Access. To start Microsoft Access, click on Start button and select all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access 2007. Creating a database. Whenever you start Microsoft Office Access 2007, you will see the Getting Started pane, which enables to access online help and content, open existing database, and create a new database. To create a new database, click Blank Database option on the Getting Started with Microsoft Office Access pane. The Blank Database command allows you to create a database. Give the database name which you want to create and browse the location to save the database. Open an existing database. To open an existing database, click the More option given under the Open Recent Database option at the right side of the Getting Started pane. Select the database by clicking the file name and using the appropriate folder. Click the Open button. Microsoft Access window. When an Access database is created or opened, the main screen of the program appears. Before you can begin to use a database, you need to become familiar with the Access window. This main window has many different parts which are described in detail below. The ribbon. Like other softwares in the Microsoft Office 2007 suite, Access 2007 has a tabbed ribbon system you use to navigate the database. The ribbon is organized into tabs. Each tab contains groups of commands you use to perform tasks in Access. For example, on the Home tab, you'll see that there is a font group that contains font formatting commands such as font type, size, color, and alignment. Unless you use keyboard shortcuts for everything, the ribbon is how you get work done in Access. The Quick Access toolbar. Once you are familiar with Access, you may find that there are commands you use more often than others. To make it easier to use these commands, you can add them to the Quick Access toolbar. By default, the toolbar appears above the ribbon on the left side of the Access window and includes the Save, Undo, and Redo commands. The Microsoft Office button. The Microsoft Office button is located in the upper left corner of the Access window and includes key menu options such as New, Save, and Print. From this menu, you can also change your Access options.